Hey guys, today we'll be looking at arithmetic operators in Java. Operators constitute the basic building block to any programming language. Java 2 provides many types of operators which can be used to perform simple to advanced tasks. Arithmetic operators can be used to perform various simple or advanced arithmetic operations on the primitive data types referred to as operands. These operators consist of various unary and binary operators that can be applied on a single or two operands. Now the image in front shows you the arithmetic operators present in Java. So now we look at a Java code that shows you how each of these 7 arithmetic operators work. So I'll be writing it in my notepad. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and define a class called arithmetic. Now I'll put it as public static void main string arguments. I'll define two variables, two integer variables, like let's say 3, another one b as 6, and I'll store the answer in C. Now the first arithmetic operation which I'll perform is addition of two numbers using the plus operator. So that will be a plus b. Now to display my answer, I'll use the code system.out.print C, where I've stored the answer. Now I'll save this code notepad in my Java folder under the name arithmetic, since my Java class is named as arithmetic.java. I've saved it there in my Java file. Now I'll open the command prompt by clicking cmd out there, which takes me directly to the path where my arithmetic and all my Java files are. And now I'll write the code java c space tab to get the code directly. Now java c will compile my code and will give it as a class file. It should be saved here. It's a bytecode. Now I'll run the bytecode to show the display java space arithmetic. Now you can see 9, which is the answer of 3 plus 6. So now I'll open my Java code. Now here I'll perform the next arithmetic operation, which is subtraction of two numbers. I won't change the values of a and b, but I'll change the value of c, which is a minus b. Now I want it to be printed on another line, so I'll put out here instead of println. Now to understand the difference between print and println, I'll leave a link below for the video where I've explained the difference between system.out.print and system.out.println, and I also leave down the link of my YouTube channel so you can see more of such videos. C, and I'll store C also. Now I'll save this code, and using the up arrow key I'll go to the previous code. Now it will compile it. Now down 9 and minus 3, which is 3 minus 6. Now here next I'll show you what the multiplication operators are and what the division. I'll write the code for all of them together, so showing it separately. Multiply b system.out.println C, which will display the code for multiplication. C is equal to a divided by b. So I'll display the division code. Now I'll save this code. There's save. I'll run the code again. Java C. Let's compile Java. Now, okay. Now I'm pretty sure you must have got how I got 9 minus 3 and 18. You must be wondering how I got 0 out here. Now if you see, a is 3 divided by 6 is 0.5 in decimals, but 0.5 is not an integer. It's a floating point value. You should know that integers store normal whole numbers, but floating values can store decimal values, float and double. Now I've defined c to be an integer, so although 3 by 6 is 0.5, since c is an integer, it will only take the integer value, which is 0. Now I'll show you what the next operator, which is the increment operator. What increment operator does is, now I'll set C value to be 10, let's say. Now what the increment operator will do is, it will add 1 to the value of C and leave it. That's it, just adding 1 instead of, so increment like two plus symbols is the same as writing it as C is equal to C plus 1, is the same as that. Okay, now I'll just leave this as a to leave a comment in a Java so that it does not get compiled in your code, you put double slashes. Now I'll save this code, I'll compile it, I'll run the code. You can see it was 10 here. By double increment operator, which is the double plus symbol, it has turned to 11. Yeah. Now if you see the decrement operator here, what it does is, C was 11 previously. Now if I put decrement operator, what it does is, it will reduce it by 1. System.out.println C. Now that is same as writing it as, I'll do a comment, is equal to C minus 1. So this is what an increment operator and decrement operator do. Now when I do decrement operation, what will give us 10 back, because C is equal to C minus 1. Thank you.